Hey, good morning, GreenKey family. It's John. We're on our commercial job site where we're installing Tesla universal wall connectors. We got 6 of them here. We're on day 4, so we're wrapping things up. And we just got a little bit left to do. You can see our chargers are all in. We had our final electrical inspection this morning. We've got the post that we're going to be putting in here in just a minute when Chase gets back. And then we're going to clean up the dirt, get our seed down, cover it with straw. And while Chase power washes, we will get these things commissioned. And then we're going to hit the road. So we're getting close. Just wanted y'all to see what it's looking like on the last day that we're here. And we'll show you what it looks like when we're done. See y'all soon. Hey everybody. So we're wrapping up our job here, installing 6 universal Tesla wall connectors. It turned out great, I think, and just want to show y'all what it looks like. So here we've got our 3 pedestals, 2 chargers each, cable retractors, EV parking, Tesla instructions. Got our seed and straw down. And yeah, that's it. Another successful project in the books, and we're looking forward to the next one. In the meantime, remember that God loves you so much he sent his son Jesus to die for you and for me. And I hope y'all have a great day. We'll see you soon.